MMC Category 3 is known as non-systemised structural, or as sometimes called, pre-manufacturing components. These are structural elements that may form part of a structure and are the kind of MMC systems that can easily be swapped into a project to replace a more traditional system, without having a fundamental impact on the project program or design approach. Examples include beams, columns, floors, walls, and stairs. Individual structural components are pre-manufactured in the factory environment and transported to the site to be combined with other elements to form the structure of a building. This category refers to nearly all forms of structural elements, and while largely focused on superstructure elements, it can also refer to substructure elements such as prefabricated ring beams, pile caps, driven piles, and screw piles. Pre-manufacturing components are a well-established aspect of house and apartment building in Ireland, and are already known to many in the industry. For example, precast concrete floors, columns and beams, or prefabricated roof trusses. As with other aspects of MMC, they are well suited to standardized factory systems that ensure precision and quality and allow for straightforward transportation.